Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of Sven. Sven joined our funded trader program last 6th of October, and he hit his first 10% target on the 27th of November. So yeah, 1 month and a half slightly for him to hit his first target. Congratulations, Sven, first of all. Now let's have a look at the equity line. We can see how Sven held the balance in the first days he joined our program. Then he went up by almost 3% on his account by mid October. Then a little pullback, then he went up again. We can see a few of ups and downs here until November the 13th actually. And here on November the 13th actually we can see how it passed basically from a profit of 2.08%, just one way up to his first 10% target on the 27th. Very good. From the statistics we can see an average daily return of 0.18%, average monthly of 5.61%, with a drawdown of just 3.99%. But again, he never went in negative territory. Maybe just here, but is minus 0.8%, so it's not even worth to mention. We can say definitely that Sven managed to at least hold the balance and be profitable, but never went below the initial account balance provided for him. From the advanced statistics, we can see how he took 184 trades with the profitability rate of 60%. Good. An average win of almost 9 pips and an average loss of 9 pips. So 1 to 1 on average. His best trade was on the 9th of November, both in terms of pips and in terms of dollars, and the same is for his worst trade. So let's have a look. So on the 9th of November, he gained $516 and 105 pips. I believe it was the same trade. So the same trade, sorry, and same is for the worst trade. In fact, on the 29th of October, he lost $256 and 52 pips. Let's now have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most. And yeah, we can definitely see how over 184 position opened, 174 were on the euro dollar. So on this pair he gained 293 pips, resulting in $1,439. He had other 7 trades open on the euro yen. He gained 41 pips, resulting in a win of $191. And here we can see just 3 negative trades open on the Aussie yen. He lost just 31 pips actually, and just $123. So we can definitely say how Sven mainly focus on the euro dollar as a pair. He has a favorite pair. Let's also have a look at the duration of his trade. So 1 hour and 34 minutes on average. We are looking at a scalper. If not intraday, definitely scalper. So in fact we can see how the majority of his position were held for less than 4 hours and 27 minutes, and just few of them were held for longer. What is nice to notice is how just 3 losing trades were held for more than 4 hours. The rest of his position that he held for longer were just were only positive positions, and at the maximum he held that for 17 hours. Okay, Sven, very well done, and congratulations again on your first target with us, and we look forward to do the second review of your account to see if you will still be focusing only on the euro dollar, or you will also add some other pair.